Hi everyone, this is Miss Bryden here to talk to you about Criminology Level 3 Diploma, which I teach at Campion School along with Miss McFarlane. So this is a 2-year modular course and it's technically not an A-level, though it's worth the same UCAS points as an A-level and is graded on the same scale as an A-level from A-star to ungraded. It's the EDUCAS exam board that we are with, and that's the only one in the UK that runs the criminology. And there are 4 papers, which is quite nice because the exams and controlled assessments are spread out over the 2 years. So as you can see, our first unit, this is our first controlled assessment done in school. And this is done in December of year 12. And this is about changing awareness of crime. So for this one, we look at underreported crimes, why they're underreported. And we look at the different rates of these crimes and how the media influences people's perceptions of how bad they really actually are. We also create our own campaign to raise awareness of a certain crime. Unit 2 is our exam-based unit for year 12, and this is done in the summer. And this is taking psychology, sociology, and biology and using them to explain why people become criminals. Unit 3 is moving into year 13, and this is called Crime Scene to Courtroom. And this is pretty much what goes on at the crime scene in terms of gathering evidence and then tracking that chain of evidence through to the person actually having their day in court and showing how the evidence can prosecute for a case. And that's also a controlled assessment. And lastly, Unit 4 is our exam for Year 13, and that's Crime and Punishment. So this is looking at and weighing up the pros and cons of different types of punishment. For example, incarceration versus community service versus monetary fines, what's most effective and what has the biggest impact on recidivism or reoffending rate. So the books we use at Campion are the Napier books. So 2 of those, one for Year 1 and one for Year 2. There's not a lot of websites and revision materials out there yet because it is a relatively new course, but we're seeing more and more creep up each year. To do this course, we suggest you are someone that is a really proactive learner that's going to go out and research extra things and bring extra things to class. So finding extra statistics, detail, evidence to back up things that the book tells us. So if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to drop myself or Miss McFarlane an email and we will be happy to help. Thank you.